everyone, welcome back to the channel. I am Overi of Overis'Essence. Do not forget to subscribe. Here in this channel we make hair tutorials and makeup tutorials and other related videos. I hope you enjoy watching this tutorial. Thanks for stopping by. So in this video I created a natural hair bun. You can see I'm trying to take off the thread that I made to help stretch out my hair, which really did not work, and these are the products I used. I used Eco Styler Gel, Argan Oil, brushes, ruffles, hair bun, comb, bubble pins, and a lot of other things, water. And this is the Kinky extension I used. I kind of like this extension because it's easy to manipulate and it doesn't tangle because it's actually separated, so it helps work out my hair. So right here I'm trying to apply the products to my hair, my natural hair, which was freshly washed the night before I slept, and this is it. That was leave-in conditioner I added, that's from KUI product. So I applied all around my hair and then I massage and try to work it in. So I'm trying to comb out the hair so that it will enable me pack the hair to my desired style. So I'm considering packing the hair into two parts. And right here I'm applying water. So as a naturalista, water actually should be your go-to for softening your natural hair. Water is my go-to. It helps me to manipulate and walk around my hair. When manipulate, I mean when I'm walking around my hair, not really manipulate. So I separated the hair into two. Obviously my hair can pack all the way to the back, so I'm going to pack them into two buns at the back. Now that's what you can see. Oh Lord, my edges are so blessed. My edges are very spiritual. Please bear with me, we're working on our edges to grow. I really do not do hairstyles that disturbs my hair, really. I think my edges is I think it came like that from heaven, and because I've been trying to work on growing them, I do not disturb my edges, and I use products that will help to grow my edges, and it's actually working. It's work in progress. Yes. So bear with me, guys. So I'm actually applying all around my hair my gel. I'm using the Shine and Jam gel edge control right now to apply all over my hair, just at the front part, because I know the back part will be covered with the Kinky extension, so I didn't really bother applying gel to that side of the hair. So yeah, then apply gel, brush all the way back. I really didn't want to use Eco Gel before, but I figured I should use it. Yes, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the subscribe button below. It's actually free, guys. Help me grow my channel, and this will do me a whole lot of good. So and then also like the channel, like the page, like the video, click the like button below, like the video, and be nice enough to share with friends and family who would need them. So I'm using my hair ruffle to pack my hair. I really do not like using rubber bands on my natural hair. I feel it snaps my hair and breaks them. So I try always to avoid using rubber band on my hair. It's really not very ideal as a naturalist. So right here I'm trying to weave the hair, my hair at the back. Then I'm also applying Got to Be glue. I like to use Got to Be glue on my natural hair when I do an all back bun up to style, because it helps to lay my hair down and it kind of helps to make it last, as the hair will stay slick down for, like, if I want to carry it for 1 week I could, because I've done it before. I carry my natural hair which I've packed into a bun for 1 week, and Got to Be glue was part of the glue that helped me achieve that. So I always like to use Got to Be glue on my natural hair after applying other gels that I love also. So I'm working on my edges. Yes, my very blessed edges. I'm trying to create baby hairs to see. just to cue them up and to have that effect that makes it look really, really beautiful. So, to lay my edges, I use my satin scarf to tie around my edges for a while so that it could help lay my edges. And yeah, I left it for a while and I started working on my extension. Stay hydrated always, guys. So right here, my extension, I think I twisted them and left a few extension out. That way I can use to wrap around the bun. And then I had this extension at home before, so I just took some part of it because I wanted it to be really big and bulky. So I added to it. So this one I'm holding right now, it's a whole pack of Kinky braids, a whole pack, like nothing out of it. I just divided them into 10 strands each and I twisted them. I wanted them to have equal effect, and that's what I did. Guys, like really guys, the method I decided to use in packing my hair into two did not work because my hair is literally not long enough to work. So if your hair is like my length, pack them into one bun, please. This didn't work for me, except I'm doing some other style. Anyways, moving forward, I've managed to wrap the extension to attach it to my already packed hair. And yeah, it gave me a tough time because I divided into two, but I managed to do that. So I'm wrapping the extension I left out around so that it could help cover up the whatever, just cover it up and make it look neat. I'm using my bun. Like I said, I wanted it to be bulky and big, so I'm using one of the small size hair donuts, and I'll place it at the back, right at the back of my hair, underneath the hair. So I'm using bobby pin to attach it, that way it could stay put. I used a lot of bobby pins in this hairstyle because I didn't sew it down, so I used a lot of bobby pins. I didn't count them, but I used a lot. I was trying to figure out if I should wrap around or if I should fold. As a naturalist, you have to be very creative. As a hairstylist, there are different styles you can do with your hair. So right here, I decided to fold and pin. I couldn't see my back, but I tried to use my hand and my senses to walk around this hair. So I'm folding and pinning around, at the back. Fold and pin. Yeah, fold and pin all the way through.
found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the
So right here, I'm trying to use my hand to really ensure that the extension is laid at the back properly. Remember, I couldn't see my back, the back of my head. I literally used my hand and my senses to fold and do that. So there's bound to be one or two hiccups. It's a synthetic hair, so I'm spraying my oil sheen. If you're having to do a customer's hair, please, I'll advise don't use Mazuri hairspray. It's kind of dusty, like gassy or something. I tried using it on a customer on a wedding day and it almost choked my customer. Yeah, this is a finished look. I went for a wedding. I hope you like the look. Thanks for stopping. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel and share, like, and keep stopping. Thank you.